Once upon a time in a vibrant kingdom nestled between the azure Caribbean Sea and lush Emerald Mountains, there ruled a wise and kind king named Vassel. He was a man of great stature and charm, beloved by his people. Yet, despite his noble achievements, there was one part of his life that filled his heart with both joy and challenge: his daughters. King Vassel was the proud father of 14 beautiful girls, each possessing their unique grace and spirit. The eldest was Even, a bright scholar who could recite the tales of their ancestors with a passion that ignited the hearts of those who listened. Next was Sophie, an artist whose brush captured the vibrancy of Jamaican life, painting vivid memories of their homeland. Vassel, the adventurous one, spent her days exploring mysterious beaches and hidden caves, searching for treasures and stories untold. Moi, with her happy and catchy laughter, brought joy to the kingdom with her purpose to prolong and extend social interactions and signal deep friendships and bonds. Nikki, the dreamer, often wandered through the gardens, creating imaginative tales as she danced among the flowers. Kerrian was the musician, strumming her guitar under the stars, filling the night with melodies that floated like whispers of the sea breeze. Charlene, the philosopher, frequently engaged the villagers in deep discussions, unraveling the mysteries of life. Peaches, the jokester, kept their spirits high with her playful pranks, ensuring there was never a dull moment in the castle. Esther was the healer, nurturing those in need with her natural remedies and compassionate heart. Britain, ever curious, was often found experimenting in the kitchen, inventing new flavors that delighted the palace guests. Tasnalina, the dancer, expressed emotions through movement, captivating all with her grace and rhythm. Lucilda, with her keen intuition, provided wisdom beyond her years, guiding her sisters with a gentle hand. Islinda, the protector, always stood ready to defend her family and loved ones with fierce loyalty. Cicine, the storyteller, spun enchanting tales that transported listeners to faraway lands. Lastly, Caslinda, the youngest, reminded them all of the innocence and joy of youth, her laughter echoing like music through the halls of the castle. As the years passed, King Vassel found himself pondering the future. With his daughters growing into extraordinary women, he knew it was time for them to seek their own paths. Yet the thought of them leaving the kingdom filled him with concern. How could he choose a way to unify them and ensure their happiness while maintaining the strength of their bond? One evening, he gathered all his daughters and shared his feelings. "My beloved girls," he began, his voice steady yet tender. "You are the light of my life. Each of you brings something special to our kingdom. As you journey forth, I hope you remember the love that binds us. Let it be your guiding star." Inspired by their father's words, the daughters devised a plan. They would embark on a quest together, a journey to explore the wonders of Jamaica, from the misty blue mountains to the vibrant markets of Kingston. Each sister would showcase her talents, celebrate one another's strengths, and create memories that would last a lifetime. They set out the very next day, laughing, singing, and connecting with the world around them. They discovered hidden waterfalls, tasted exotic fruits, danced with the rhythms of reggae, and engaged with the diverse cultures of their homeland. In the end, the journey strengthened their bond. They returned to the castle, full of laughter and stories, knowing that while they were each unique, their love for one another was woven thicker than the richest tapestry. King Vassel welcomed them home with open arms. His heart swelled with pride, for he had not only raised daughters of strength and grace, but a family unified by love that would last through the ages. And so, the legend of King Vassel and his 14 daughters lived on, a testament to the power of love, unity, and the vibrant spirit of Jamaica.